Getting paid to use the internet sounds almost too good to be true. And yet, in this simple money-making tactic that I'll be sharing with you today, you'll be able to earn some cold, hard cash on your phone with just a few clicks. It's a completely legit method that's been tried and tested, and it's absolutely free to join. Just download, log in, and earn. Simple as that. If you're interested to find out about all of the essential details and get to do it yourself, then join me in this video and let's grow our bank accounts together. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. If you have dreams of becoming more financially free, or if you're just trying to learn what you can and become more financially savvy, well, you've come to the right place because that's exactly what we talk about day in and day out on this very channel. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel to make sure that you don't miss out. And with that said, let's go make some money. Now, I want you to visit this platform called InstaGC. InstaGC is a get paid to site that pays you in your choice of cash or gift checks upon your completion of the different tasks available, such as watching videos, downloading apps, completing surveys, or signing up for free trial offers. Each time you complete any one of those tasks, InstaGC receives a small commission and gives a portion of that to you, the user. It works on both iOS and Android, and if you're over 13 years of age, then no matter where in the world you're from, you should go ahead and give this a shot. I personally appreciate how InstaGC just makes it super quick and easy to join and earn. Here are the 3 simple steps. Number 1, register for an account and get 10 free points when you do. If you want to skip this step, then you can also opt to use either your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account to sign up. Step number 2 is to complete tasks. Available ones will be displayed on your dashboard upon logging in, and these are all location dependent, so they do run out, but don't worry as the tasks are continually updated and InstaGC is just always looking for new selections to add to the site. If you want to visit just one reward site to earn your cash, this is the place. And these are some of the ones that you can expect to find here. Watching videos is definitely one great way to earn money here. It doesn't pay much, but it's actually one of the best ways to earn money just because you can do it easily without any effort at all. Visiting websites is another common task, and again, it's not the very best way to earn money, but it only takes about a second, and if you're free anyway, then I say go ahead and get it done. Completing free trial offers can be done here too. These are usually 100% free, but there are some free trials that expire after 30 days or so, and these will charge you after that time, so I want you to make sure that you take the time to read the fine print first. Another way that you can earn here is by making phone calls to request for quotes from, say, insurance agencies, and you can also complete whatever else a requirement would indicate. I noticed that they update this section pretty regularly, so you can definitely get yourself a couple of tasks and bucks from here. Taking calls and listening to a sales agent pitch products or services to you is another thing that you can do. These usually just take a couple of minutes. You don't really need to do much while this is happening. You can even keep the person on speaker as you prepare a meal or read a book, and that should make you a quick dollar. After doing all of those tasks, you can just cash out. Once you receive enough coins, you can cash out for either donations to charity, gift cards from large retailers, or via direct deposit to PayPal. If you're the type of person who likes to receive small, more frequent payments instead of waiting to get a bigger payout when the pot size is bigger, then InstaGC is definitely a good option for you. On here, you only need a $1 balance to redeem points. And while you won't get rich from InstaGC, it can be a pretty reliable way to earn a couple of extra bucks during your downtime. Karma is another popular GPT platform that provides different rewards for completing various tasks. Unlike most GPT sites though, tasks are only available on mobile. The platform is guaranteed safe and legit, tried and tested. It's actually owned by the same company that developed Cash Karma, which is another big name in this space. Playing games is the best way to earn on this app, and it accounts for a lot of this app's popularity. So if you're one who enjoys playing games, then you can download new mobile games here, test them out, or play until a certain level and receive a corresponding reward for it. Different games have different requirements, so make sure that you check on each one. One thing that's great about how they structure this earning opportunity is how you will receive bonus rewards if you decide to keep the app and play it every day. So if you're a gamer looking for the next big thing out there, this is definitely a great way to do that. It doesn't hurt that you're having fun while getting paid to do it either. Similar to most other GPT sites, watching videos is a great way to earn money here. Just go to the video section of the app and click on the offer. After you watch all of the videos that will be accessible to you, you get your reward. And another thing I can say that's unique about App Karma is its daily rewards and scratch cards. It's a way to scratch any gambling itch that you may have without actually having to gamble because it's completely free for you to do, no need to put any cash out. And while App Karma is definitely one of the top-rated apps out there, I want you to still proceed with caution. You need to pay close attention to the instructions and to the fine print before you decide to install apps. And I personally avoid anything that requires me to make a deposit, even if those tend to offer higher rewards. Alright, for our third and final one, here's another online platform that rewards users for completing certain tasks yet again. As the first two, there are plenty of consumer surveys to complete, games to play, and apps to try out here. Each task comes with requirements and rewards, and this third app is called Cash Kick. And while you can do pretty much similar tasks on Cash Kick as with the other two, answering surveys is one of the better paying options right here. It can take a while longer than simply just downloading an app or watching a video, but the cash reward is also higher. Or if you don't really want to focus your full attention on doing this and just earn in a completely passive manner, well, you already know that watching videos is my favorite way to do that, and you can most definitely do that here. Before we end the video, guys, let me just tell you one more time that while they're all legit, none of them will actually make you rich. What they can do is provide an easy way for you to make extra cash on the side, doing things that you're probably already spending your time on already, just like playing games, answering consumer surveys, or watching videos. If you have a few spare minutes each day, then using these apps can definitely help fill that time and your wallet. It's worth trying, and there's nothing to lose since everything is absolutely free to do. So tell me, which app are you most excited about? If I were you, I would download all of them and experience them for myself because people tend to have different preferences anyway. If you have any tips, comments, or questions, then please, by all means, feel free to leave them down below to share with our YouTube community. And speaking of our YouTube community, if you haven't already, then do make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below so that you're always kept up to date on all of our latest videos. Alrighty then, it's time to work on these goals and not just sit on them, okay? No matter how small, I want you to get started doing something today. Signing up for either of the platforms that I mentioned here, instead of just thinking about it, actually takes you one step closer to making you more money and reaching your goals. Let me know how all of this goes for you. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.